For this DIY lip balm, we'll be needing 3 ingredients. The first here is our coconut oil. There is about 50 ml of coconut oil, cold pressed. Then we have our beeswax. The beeswax is about 5 grams of beeswax. And then here I have my essential oil, like peppermint essential oil, and some dash of coconut candy fragrance. So here I literally have about 4 ingredients all together. So here I'm just going to take my beeswax and I'm going to transfer it into my coconut oil. And then here's a coconut oil and beeswax. I'm just going to go take it into a double boiler and melt all through. So when it's totally melted, I'm just going to bring it back. Alright, so just let it cool a bit. Not when it's very hot. Not when it's very cold, before you transfer your essential oil and your fragrance. And then you're still not gonna do anything to it yet because it's still hot. Here I have my containers and they are plastic, so I'm not going to transfer this because it's hot and it might shrink the container after pouring. So I'm just going to check the temperature until it's about 50 degrees Celsius or thereabout. Do not allow it to get to 40 or it will solidify before you pour. So here's about 50 degrees Celsius and I'm just going to pour it into my container. And for this I just want a dash of pink color, not like it's going to affect on the pink lips, whatever, just for a pink color balm. I'm going to put a little pink color into this. But you see, as I kept stirring, the temperature kept reducing and it's already solidifying in my beaker. So I'm just going to pour it all the way through like that. It's already turning into a paste because temperature is already low. So I'm just going to transfer it into my container like that. So here is the one that has a dash of pink and here is a plain one. So we're going to set this aside and let them cool. So here they're cool already and they're already balm and they're already formulated into a balm. Here is the one with a dash of pink color. So if this video was helpful to you, please do give us a thumb up, subscribe to this channel. My next video is going to be an interesting one, so don't miss out. I wish to see you in my next video, but for now, take care.